Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Paul. This video is about my 2016, or my wife's actually, 2016 Kia Forte. It was hesitating. When we were driving, it would like jerk and it seemed like it was gonna stop, and I couldn't figure out what it was. And finally what I did was, in this video I show how to change out the spark plugs. And it's kind of like I had already changed out the air filter, thinking it wasn't breathing right. So I changed out the air filter. It's filthy. It's got like almost 90,000 miles on it, and I never changed the filter, so that was my bad. So I changed the filter and then went on to change the plugs. And then so I thought it would be a good opportunity to show how easy it is to change those plugs for somebody out there. Mechanics, feel free to make fun of me. If you're not a mechanic and you just want to save some money, and if I can do it, you can do it, trust me. I show about how to take the cover off, and because I didn't even know that had a cover, man. And another thing I didn't know about these new cars is they don't have any wires. You know, I wanted to change the wires, and it's got no wires, man. It's got this, you know, everything's electronic, so it's got this this all electronic system, and it kind of weirded me out. But so there was no wires or distributor kept to change out, so they got coil packs now is what they're called. So what ended up happening in the end was the car was still jerking a little bit. So then I figured, okay, I gotta check out the coil packs, and I went. Even though it didn't have a the check engine light on, it still said that cylinder 4 was misfiring. So I changed out the coil pack after I did the plugs, and voila, that was it. You know, and there was the coil pack and the plugs together, and that was it. And I didn't have to buy all 4 coil packs because they're kind of expensive, like I explained in this video. So also, please, I'm trying to do a service for people. You know, I try to teach people things, or help people out with like car stereos and speakers, and because that's what I used to do in the 80s. And you know, just like and subscribe if you don't mind. They're putting commercials on our channels now, even though we're not monetized. So somebody's making money off me. I'm not even getting paid. I'd like to, you know, get up to 1,000 so I can at least get monetized. God knows I have enough views, I just don't have enough subscribers. So I'm gonna try to pump out some more videos at least once or twice a week, and you know, hopefully it helps somebody out there. So this is for like a young student or a kid who's, it's just him and his mom, and you know, y'all don't have a lot of money and you want to change out the plugs. Well, here you go. Here's the video. Please again, like and subscribe, and if you get any questions, let me know. I do respond to everybody. So good luck and peace. Okay guys, so we're going to change the spark plugs on this 2016 Kia Forte. First thing you're going to do is remove this cap here. That is a nice little gentle pull if I can. Let's see here. Last one's being anal. There we go. And that will reveal the plugs, which are under here, under the coil packs. You have 1, 2, 3, and 4. It's going to have a little screw here. You just need to take off that one screw. Let me show you by example here. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun. Oh, I have my finger in the way. Sorry, guys. There we go. Take this one little coil pack off, and I'll show you. Take the screw off. Put that in a safe place. Then this should pop right off. There we go. There we go. My car is missing. It's hesitating. So I'm going to try the plugs first. I already changed the oil. I mean the air filter. So now, if the plugs aren't it, I'm going to change these coil packs. I'm trying not to change the coil packs. My engine light is not on, but I am getting hesitation when I drive. So if the plugs don't work, you know, I'm getting a misfire somewhere, or it's gas, or it's an air leak. I don't know. But anyways, I'm changing the plugs out. And that's the purpose of this video, showing you how to change these plugs out. But these are the coil packs right here. Has a little connection here. You can take this off, and this piece will come apart, and all you have left is this deal. And these run about $75 to $80 each, depending on where you buy it. So these are the coil packs. Not too expensive. if you buy them all at once, it's $300. That is kind of expensive. But if you buy one at a time, or if you have the engine check light and it tells you which one it is, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4, in that order. So if it tells you that number 2 is out, that the number 2 isn't working right, you just change this one out. Okay. So here is the big reveal. Let's see what it looks like. It's a little burnt. A little spent. Hopefully that's what it is. It's kind of, let me see, get in here. Can I focus? Focus. Hard to see. There it is. Kind of burnt. So we'll see. So this is what it should look like. Has a little bit of carbon on that old one right there. This is what it should look like. Hopefully this will do it. And don't go to a mechanic and pay hundreds of dollars to do this, guys. It's this easy. You just do one at a time, exactly what I just did right now. And the spark plugs I got were from Champion. They're iridium. I don't know what that is or what it does, but I just know that these new cars have iridium. And these were only about, I think, $7.50 each plug. So do the math. That's like $30. Not too bad. And you do it yourself instead of paying $100, $200 to get somebody to do it. And it's already gapped. They told me it was already gapped, pre-gapped, that is. I hope the guy was right, but that's what he said. In the old days, we used to have to gap them ourselves. Times have changed, huh? All right, so I put 2 in already. I'm gonna put the last 2 in. I just wanted to show you this. Don't put the spark plug all the way into the socket, because then when you put it down the hole like this, if you aren't gentle with it, what's going to happen when you go to pull out this, it stays down there and it's a hassle to get out. So just a little suggestion. So I just kind of hand tighten it until I get to where it's hard to turn by hand, and then I'll use the ratchet, and it'll be easy to get out this way. I found out the hard way not to push it all the way down, because you can't pull it up. You see how it's going down there? So now I'll put the ratchet. So now I'm doing the ratchet, and you know, you don't want to do it too tight because it's ceramic. You should be able to pull it all out at once, and there we go. See, it all came out without the spark plug. So just a little advice. Okay, so then I just put the last one on. All I have to do now is tighten this on the coil pack. Not too tight because that's plastic. And by the way, this size, this is a 10 millimeter. And the plug, I mean the spark plug, I think it's a, let me check. It's a 5/8. So hope this helps somebody. And I'm going to see if that solves my problem. If not, then I'm going to change the coil packs next.